As the world of compact videography continues to evolve, enthusiasts and professionals alike are anticipating the next leap forward in handheld camera innovation. After the impressive success of the third-generation Pocket camera, all eyes are now on the upcoming fourth installment in DJI's iconic line of gimbal-stabilized Pocket cams. Though not officially confirmed, the leaks and speculations surrounding the DJI Pocket 4 paint a tantalizing picture of a device set to redefine what a small camera can accomplish. In this in-depth preview, we'll dive into the swirling rumors and educated predictions that hint at a significant step forward in video quality, smart functionality, and user experience. From possible breakthroughs in color science and resolution to AI-powered focus and stabilization systems, here's what could make the Pocket 4 a game-changer for creators everywhere. Building on a strong foundation, the previous version of this camera, widely celebrated for its seamless portability and remarkable performance, raised the bar with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor. It delivered beautiful image quality, impressive low-light capabilities, and stunning background separation, all in a camera small enough to fit in your pocket. Naturally, fans are expecting the Pocket 4 to continue this tradition while enhancing the platform in both subtle and substantial ways. If early whispers are to be believed, DJI may keep the proven sensor size while refining internal hardware for better speed, efficiency, and overall image fidelity. Processing power, the silent revolution. Behind every visual masterpiece is a powerful processor, and this is where the Pocket 4 could truly shine. A next-gen image signal processor, ISP, is rumored to bring faster data handling and smarter image computation. With better real-time analysis, users could expect improvements in highlight preservation, color accuracy, and responsiveness. Notably, this enhanced chip could enable advanced modes like computational HDR, superior noise reduction for night footage, and more accurate white balance under challenging lighting scenarios. True-to-life color with 10-bit depth. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is the move from 8-bit to 10-bit color recording. This leap would mean over 1 billion colors can be captured, allowing for more nuanced gradations, fewer color banding issues, and increased flexibility in post-production workflows. Support for professional-grade log profiles and high dynamic range modes could also place the Pocket 4 firmly in the toolkit of filmmakers, YouTubers, and social media storytellers who demand more than what traditional mobile devices can deliver. Next-level resolution and frame rates. While 4K at 60 frames per second was more than enough for many creators in the previous generation, expectations for the Pocket 4 include a potential jump to 4K at 120 frames per second. This high frame rate opens the door to hyper-smooth slow-motion sequences, ideal for cinematic effects, sports, and dynamic storytelling. There may also be upgrades to video bit rates, enabling crisper details and smoother gradients with less compression artifacting, an especially welcome improvement for users who shoot scenes with complex textures or fast motion. Refined stabilization for every movement. DJI's signature gimbal stabilization has long been a key selling point of the Pocket series. However, one area that users frequently wish for better performance is vertical or Z-axis stabilization, particularly when walking or moving on uneven terrain. The 4th-gen device may address this with better shock absorption mechanics or intelligent software correction, ensuring fluid footage even in motion-heavy environments. Combined with smarter AI interpretation of motion patterns, this could dramatically improve the handheld shooting experience. Intelligent autofocus and eye tracking. Fast, reliable autofocus is critical for solo creators and vloggers. The Pocket 3 did a respectable job, but the next version might incorporate phase detection autofocus, PDAF, along with real-time eye tracking, enhancing the camera's ability to keep human subjects sharply focused at all times. Smarter subject tracking with enhanced AI. The Pocket 4 is expected to bring a more responsive version of the company's subject tracking system. Advanced algorithms may allow for multi-subject recognition, better motion prediction, and improved lock-on during complex movements. This means users could follow their subject effortlessly without constant input, perfect for dynamic vlogs, pet videos, or action sequences. Audio advancements in a tiny package. Compact cameras often struggle with audio fidelity, but the Pocket series has been making strides. The next version is rumored to include refined directional audio, and enhanced wind noise reduction, essential for outdoor creators. Ergonomic refinement and smarter design. From a form factor perspective, don't expect a radical departure. The familiar pocket-friendly silhouette will likely remain. However, the details might be where meaningful improvements lie. Adjustments to grip texture, button layout, and screen responsiveness may make the device more intuitive and comfortable to use for extended periods. Display enhancements for outdoor clarity. The Pocket 3's display was lauded for its brightness and versatility, but there's always room for evolution. A higher peak brightness or a dedicated high visibility mode could help maintain visibility in direct sunlight. Improved touch sensitivity and a smoother interface could also improve navigation and interaction, especially for quick field adjustments. Weather resistance and ruggedness. For a camera designed to travel, shoot on the go, and adapt to spontaneous moments, resistance to the elements is a highly requested feature. The Pocket May 4th brings some level of splash or dust protection, finally offering peace of mind for users shooting in unpredictable weather or dusty environments. Battery and power management. Battery performance is a key area for improvement. While the Pocket 3 offered strong numbers, the Pocket 4 could extend usage even further through better efficiency and possibly a larger internal cell. Expandable creativity with modular accessories. DJI has traditionally supported its pocket cameras with a range of modular accessories, and it appears the 4th generation camera will be no different. Rumors point to an ecosystem of new magnetic lenses, including ND filters, wide-angle options, and macro tools that would attach seamlessly and expand the device's creative potential without adding bulk. Storage and file management improvements. While the move to faster, higher capacity microSD cards seems likely, creators are also hoping for more streamlined file management tools. Features like automatic file sorting, internal proxy file creation for quick editing, or cloud syncing might be on the horizon, making media organization far more efficient. There's even talk of improved Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, enabling quicker sharing, mobile editing, or remote control capabilities through a dedicated app. What the Pocket 4 represents. The rumored upgrades in the Pocket 4 indicate more than just a spec bump. They point to a strategic evolution in what a pocket camera can achieve. As the demand for content continues to rise across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and streaming services, creators need tools that offer flexibility, performance, and portability.